Can you tell me who you work for and what do you do for what the company does?
Yeah, absolutely. I work for Schaffer Manufacturing. We're a contractual manufacturing shop. We do anything from small computer shells all the way up to agricultural equipment. But the heartbeat of our company is welding, and we're very new to robotic welding, and we're very intrigued by that. We're looking to see what's out there. We do a lot of manual welding.
So no experience with robotic welding.
Very, very minimal.
And what did you come for at Fabtech for?
Welding and lasers, press brakes. We're looking at some plasma tables over there. I'm just seeing the future for our company, trying to build us up.
Excellent. All right, so I'm gonna let you have the demo and we'll talk after. Well, how was your experience programming the Cobot welder?
It's actually really easy to run. I think I could find some applications at Schaffer for it, and I don't know, it's just really easy. If I can do it, anyone on my team can do it.
And what are you doing in your team? What are you doing at the company?
Currently, I'm the operations manager, so I am not a skilled welder. I have none of this as a background, so if I can set up a robot, I think anyone can.
Excellent. And what challenges are you facing at your company right now?
Workforce, getting applicants that have experience in welding. They're not all out there, and if you do have a good welder, they don't want to run a robot. So you can have a welder tweak the settings and then an operator run it. Maybe that's what we can do.